and you like it. Me love how your pussy are the right fit. I'm in love tap it up with the ice pick.
Girl, oh, you for argue with me when me nicer than you. Oh, when my oh, you for argue with me and you don't have a blood clot drop. Any girl will argue with me. Only girl me argue a girl will have a drop. You don't have a drop, so you can't argue with me. And you don't have a money man. Cause no money man now pick up you. No man now left a dog and go to pick up you because you look like a dog. Cause what you should put on one black somebody should pay for arguing at times.
Hey, kitty cat. Hey, kitty cat. You saw your pussy fat, y'all more looking at your high one. Fuck you from back, turn around and rotate. That the night chop. Guyanese scrape head, pretty puta. Well, you fuck me.
You might look at hot girl and buck up on a madam.
No, me not look no blood clot hot girl.
You look at hot girl and buck up in a madam.
No, I look no hot girl. You're too liar, much
Then how you send me request? Because you look at hot girl and buck up in a madam.
Life, me never.
Hey, me tell myself say any boy with blood clot beat me, can't friend me up and fuck me back. Me a jump in my car and go outside the fuck and then come back. So when he might touch me, I cross. Cause my shoot come already. Me a mad blood clot, yeah.
I tell you like, me say, my phone I get problem, I don't know what happened to the phone. So
Jesus Christ. Oh God. What I have done? What I have done, oh? Hey! What I have done? What I have done, oh?
Gonna no sitting with the brandish for fame, pushing us up and 9 chin and slam out him. Push, maga.
If I promise my food, I ain't give me vexing about me not gonna really too vex. But if I promise my money and don't give it to me, I got malice you, I got have you up, I got have you off. My brought me not hungry, there's a difference. Don't promise me the money where you know you're not gonna come through forgive me because I will be vexed with you. Will be vexed. What if I never really beg you the money and you're like half of you give me the money? Yeah man, I got have you up for your money. I got have you up, I got malice you for your money.
You're allergic to pregnancy. Pregnancy enough for you. This are you. Look for you.
Me nah, me have all 10 pitney. Me nah have no pitney when me have 40. Me have breed from now. Me nah bring no vegetarians on the earth. Me nah have no pitney when me have 40. Me have breed up from now, so when mommy have fight all 10 baby a fling stone.
So yeah,
When mommy have fight all the ticky them a fling stone, they think me a idiot.
Ride these checks, stinking group on private jet. Big GLE girl like Siemens. Me dog drop it on the evil I sit get. Girl suck my cock down, she cry for sex. Police never stop it.
I think people who smoke are real losers.
and the reason why I can't stay friends with her ex for long is because 2 2s down the line, we got argue about the reason why we did left. You did fuck the girl. And you made the girl text my phone. What you type about me never fuck the girl? The girl show me a video when you are whining her hole. Don't tell me for no blood clot idiot. And then make get pissed off all over again. And make want to look in your bumbo clot face. Come on, who you text for fool? Who the fuck you text for idiot? Yeah, so that's literally, I can't do it.
Tell me a cray and a bad boy there. Jamaica is the most corrupt country in the world because you will boss, ironically. You will boss because everybody think the song a fuckery. Me not ask you, me I tell you. Sell me a crate and a bad boy there. The people them a send him a road. Dog, them a boost him and a send him a road out of sheer mocking. I love Jamaica and I will never leave.
What did you do on your face? What happened?
Oh, me and my mate kitchen. The selector say, all tight well girl walk out. And she step out. And I run go to the selector and say, money pull up, a big old girl in the dance. And she come chop me. And I chop her back. And here go the cherry go.
Ever talk to some people and some words where them say just make a know say a country then come from?
You understand it, right there?
I know them way
Come here, tell the girl why you not eating food. She might tell me say she don't want eating food because
eating food.
Jesus Christ, dear. You look down at the train line, you know see boy, him just a grinding you.
Grinding.
Pinky!
Yeah.
Come help me bring them something in our house. Master Donald give me some orange for give you.
You give you some what?
Some orange.
Orange.
You know, get up and go in our bed.
I feel like for move right now. Me have Fluxy complain.
What?
Fluxy complain. Fluxy complain. I want you, mommy. Hello, you and your brother when you come from school, make sure so you walk through Missy Yarlene gate from now on. Do not go over Mr. Hug Up here. That man is a old cantankerous, wicked man. Cantankerous.
With the blood clot, this murder. What with the blood?
Louis V, check you with me, I the maddest in this. Genesee, Ketchiki, Jetly, I know DJ but me chip, Flow 6, Uber, test me, test my skill, Cologne send for kill.
Be my friend, then come to my bed. I said, be my friend, then come.
Bitter water, butter bitter water. Why? Now I hold him right on. So them can't class me. And them can't bring me down. Me stay on my own blood clot lane. When you running out of spot like crash, when you ever crash out.
Beg come money.
But me not give my money, so you have to skin out feed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Me say me outside Christmas the right round the corner. And me see some original blood clot tight suit. When me had a mad the girl in the blood clot Christmas. Some original tight suit. Chan young.
Write these checks, stinking